That's see where Mommy is? Say hi to Nana and Pop-Up.
Hey, Katie.
Say, Katie. Say hi to Nana and Pop-Up. We're going to open our present now, okay? Okay? You're going to open their present. Happy Hanukkah. You want to open? Come on, rip. You rip the paper?
Katie.
Katie, rip the paper, Katie. There you go. Good job. Can you help Daddy open the present? Yeah, good job. What is it? What could it be, Katie? I don't know. Let's open it up and find out. It's a big box, whatever it is. Ooh, look at that, Katie. Look at that. Is it a jewelry box for you? Is it your very own jewelry box? And look, he's got a little ballerina. Yeah. Look at her go. Oh, okay, open it back up. There she goes. Yeah. Look at her go. Is that cool? Very cool. Thank you very much, Nana and Pop-Up. We love you. Happy Hanukkah.